Hi viewers, you're welcome back. Today I've brought you a huge one. This is massive. The province of Prince Edward Island is recruiting massively. They are recruiting international applicants, and this is unique to the province of Prince Edward Island because I don't know of any other province that has done this. They have opened on their website an application platform where you can submit your CV and apply directly to the province of Prince Edward Island. This is not expression of interest. This is different from the expression of interest that you need a family member, what have you. You don't need a family member to apply for this opportunity. They opened this application platform because there are some sectors where they need international applicants to fill, and they have decided to open a separate application platform on their website so that if you have experience or you have background in any of these sectors, they are numerous. I'm going to be showing you in a jiffy. So if you have experience in any of those sectors that they are looking to fill, you just go directly to their website. I'm going to drop the link. You're going to apply, fill in the application form, submit your CV, and they are going to go through your applications and get in touch with you. You're going to drop your email address so they will contact you if they find you suitable for these applications. This is not only for skilled workers. If you are also unskilled, probably a truck driver, what have you, you are also needed in the province of Prince Edward Island. So if you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're different field, teachers, what have you, IT, they have a lot of it. So if you're interested to know about this, we're going to go through the application process together. So we are on the website of the province of Prince Edward Island, and this is the application portal. So it says, please register and provide your resume, CV to be considered by employers that are hiring in Prince Edward Island. Employers will connect with potential applicants to discuss job opportunity in person or virtual. There are employers in Prince Edward Island that are looking for, international applicants to fill in positions in their companies. They are looking for a lot, both skilled and unskilled. And employers that are looking for international applicants to fill in positions in their organization would be able to access your applications and your resume. And if they find you suitable for, to fill in their open positions, they will contact you. So if you have experience in any of these fields, any of these sectors I'll be mentioning, whether it is skills you have or experience you have, you can forward your resume immediately. We have the health care. Under health care, we have caregiver, registered nurse, doctor, and other healthcare field of work. So if you have any experience or skill in any of these occupation, and in healthcare generally, that most province or all provinces in Canada are looking for healthcare workers. So if you're not in this field, I'm going to get to you too. So that's for healthcare workers. So for education, if you have experience in any of these, early childhood educators, elementary teachers, secondary teachers, other education field of work. Now let's move to the IT. So if you have experience in any of these, web developer, programmer, cyber security analyst, software engineer, and other IT field of work, you can see that there is an open window for you. If your profession is not directly mentioned but is under any of this categorization, you can forward your CV as well. So let's move to hospitality. Housekeepers are needed, cook, and other hospitality field of work. So let's move to another one, trucking industry. If you're a truck driver, a dispatcher, a dispatch rider, heavy duty mechanic, other truck industry field of work. So if you know anyone that has skills in this field, please let them apply. Let's move to the manufacturing sector. If you are a machine operator, manufacturing worker, meat cutter, and other manufacturing field of work, what are you waiting for? Send in your resume. And if you are under this categorization, which is bioscience, you have experience in quality control, process engineer, and other bioscience field of work, you need to apply. If you're finding value in this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos that will assist your journey in immigrating to Canada or any country of your choice. So now let's fill in the application form. Your first name, your last name, you put in your email address. Okay, your first name, your last name, your email address, then you send in your resume. Upload your resume. So I've uploaded my resume. After uploading your resume, the next thing you do is you click on next, you save, and it takes you to next. Okay, so you agree, I agree to the terms and condition, you save, and it takes you to the next page. Let's hold on, it's taking us to the next page. So we are here. Then you answer these general qualification questions. What is your country of nationality? If you're from Nigeria, if you're from Canada. So what is your country of nationality? If you're from Nigeria, from any country you are applying from, Ghana, whatever, you put it in. What is your current country of residence? Wherever you are currently, you put in your country of residence. Are you between the age of 18 to 59? So if you have not yet clocked 60, you are eligible. You put in your age. Do you have valid working holiday visa to travel or work in Canada? You definitely don't have if you are applying from outside Canada, so you put in no. Professional experience, if you have English proficiency, if you've written your IELTS, if you have not, they are not asking you to fill in your IELTS results. So if you're good in English language, you put in yes, expert or intermediate. Try as much as possible to be honest with the application. So are you able to perform work or tasks in French language? If you don't understand French language, bonjour, monsieur, like me, just fill in no. Because even Prince Edward Island is not really into French language like that. We have a lot of English speakers in the province, so that's not going to be a problem. Since it's not Quebec, even Quebec, we have English speakers as well. So, are you interested in working full time in Prince Edward Island? That's minimum of 30 hours. If it is, I would definitely encourage you to click yes, because what would you be doing if you are not working? How many years of full-time work experience do you have that are directly related to the position you are applying to? So the maximum is 5 years. So even if it's 1 year experience, it is fine. So you pick the one that best describe your work experience. So what is your current position? You fill in your current position. What are your previous position held? You try to fill it, properly. And then have you successfully completed, a secondary school diploma? If yes, you put it. How did you hear about this recruitment mission? So you let them know how you heard about it. So when you are done filling it, you click on save. Then it takes you to the submission page. You submit and await a call or an email from any employer in the province of Prince Edward Island that finds you suitable to filling the positions available in their organization. I hope you find this exciting and you take action. Don't sleep over it. Send in your CV. They are not asking you for too much. Just send in your CV and fill in the application form and await their call or email for you to begin your process. But let me quickly drop this advice. If you have not sat for iHealth, though they are not asking you to write iHealth here, but I would advise you to get it ready. You don't need so much. If you're an English speaker, and you're able to attain at least like band 5 or 6. This time we are writing iHealth General. We have two different types of iHealth exam. We have the academics and the general. For this particular pathway you're writing general, just have it ready. You never can tell. They could request for it and they might not. If they don't request for it, you're fine. It won't take anything away from you. So just try to write your IELTS so that whenever the recruiters, the employers contact you and they request for such documents, you would, it will be readily available. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.